Still vacuuming manually in 2026? Robot vacuums aren't just convenience gadgets anymore. They're smarter, stronger, and capable of handling full home cleaning with minimal input. From AI-powered mapping to vacuum and mop combos, these are the best robot vacuums worth buying this year. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra is built for fully automated cleaning with minimal intervention. It combines strong suction power with advanced mopping functionality, making it ideal for homes with mixed flooring. The intelligent mapping system allows it to navigate efficiently around furniture, detect obstacles, and clean room by room without random bumping. What really sets it apart is its self-cleaning and docking features. The base station can handle dust disposal and mop maintenance, reducing how often you need to step in manually. For larger homes or busy households, this level of automation makes it feel more like a hands-off cleaning system rather than just a robot vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra focuses on powerful suction combined with smart navigation. It uses advanced mapping technology to learn your home's layout, allowing you to set specific rooms or no-go zones through the app. The suction performance is strong enough to handle pet hair, carpets, and daily debris effectively. It also features a self-emptying base in select models, meaning you don't have to empty the dustbin after every cleaning session. For homes with pets or heavy foot traffic, this makes daily cleaning far more convenient. It strikes a strong balance between intelligent navigation and reliable suction performance. The Shark Plus 2-in-1 combines vacuuming and mopping in one unit, making it suitable for multi-surface homes. It transitions between carpet and hard floors smoothly, increasing suction where needed and adjusting for surface type. The integrated mopping function adds light wet cleaning for maintaining hard floors. Navigation is structured and efficient, reducing missed spots and repeat cleaning. It may not have the advanced automation dock of premium models, but it provides strong cleaning performance at a more accessible price point. For households looking for dual functionality without going ultra high-end, it's a solid choice. The eufy 11S Max focuses on simplicity and reliability. It offers strong suction for its size and performs especially well on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim design allows it to slide under beds and couches where bulkier robots may struggle. Unlike more advanced AI-driven models, it uses straightforward navigation patterns, but it still covers spaces effectively. It's also quieter than many competitors, making it ideal for apartments or small homes. If you want a dependable, budget-friendly robot vacuum without complex features, this one gets the job done. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 brings trusted Roomba cleaning technology into a hybrid vacuum and mop design. It uses smart mapping to learn your home layout and allows room-specific cleaning schedules. The suction performance is consistent, particularly on carpets and high-traffic areas. What makes it appealing is the brand's long-standing software support and ecosystem integration. The mopping function adds convenience for maintaining hard floors, and app control is intuitive and easy to use. For those who value reliability and brand support, this is a strong mid to premium option. Robot vacuums in 2026 aren't just about convenience. They're about reclaiming time. Whether you want full automation or a simple daily cleaner, upgrading to the right model can completely change your routine. Now the question is, are you going fully automated or keeping it simple?